longer shines this old Chevy truck of mine. Leave her out in the cold, she don't mind. Turn the key, she's ready to find. Saturday long till morning's glare, she's ready without a single care. Starts up smooth without a groan. If women were like her, I'd call one my own. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words combine. This old truck's one of a kind. Rust creeping through her iron veins, still keeps rolling through life's pains. Eternal flame in her engine red, faithful roads that we both tread. Under stars in the quiet night, she holds on tight through every fight. Loyal friend, my metal lass, in this bond that always lasts. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words combine. This old truck's one of a kind. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words can bind. This old truck's one of a kind. Rust creeping through her iron veins, still keeps rolling through life's pains. Eternal flame in her engine red, faithful roads that we've both tread. Under stars in the quiet night, she holds on tight through every fight. Loyal friend, my metal lass, in this bond that always lasts. In this bond that always lasts. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words can bind. This old truck's one of a kind. Paint is all faded, no longer shines. This old Chevy truck of mine. Leave her out in the cold, she don't mind. Turn the key, she's ready to find. Saturday long till morning's glare, she's ready without a single care. Starts up smooth without a groan. If women were like her, I'd call one my own. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words can bind. This old truck's one of a kind. Eternal flame in her engine red, faithful roads that we both tread. Under stars in the quiet night, she holds on tight through every fight. Loyal friend, my metal lass, in this bond that always lasts. FENNELL in his '52 Chevy truck. Oh, my old pickup, so true and bold, even when she's worn and old. Love her more than words can bind. This old truck's one